UDIN DIN DIN
Ah,
DIN
brain rot are chasing me!
Frigo Camelo,
Help!
buffo
Save
fardello,
me!
nel centro
What
della
should I
città.
do? They've surrounded me. I hope someone hears me and rescues me. Write in the comments how I can get out. I'm very scared. I think they're going to kill me. What should I do? Who will help me? It seems they decided to kill me because I stole the Bambini Guzzini from them.
Finally, I found you, JJ. I came to save you. We'll manage to get out of here. Don't worry.
I knew, Mikey, that you would find me. Friends, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And Mikey and I will be getting out of here as soon as possible.